What'd you do, Matt?
Dam blew out.
I think the water level dropped a little bit.
Need a dam rebuilt.
Cause that was under at least like, well, no, it's popping out a little bit.
We're down about 6 inches or more right now.
Easily, cause that was only popping out like a half an inch. I mean, and this was under like 8 inches of water yesterday.
Right, so, yeah.
Look at that beached whale.
What you doing, Jax? What you doing, Nest?
I like how both of you have to sniff the camera. So I told Matt that I had to go to the bathroom, and basically just kind of sitting here and chilling, hanging out with the dogs, about to drink a beer. He's building the dam because I didn't feel like doing it, so I'm gonna give him a couple minutes there, and while I work hard at going to the bathroom. Oh yeah, I can smell gas all the way up here. What are you doing? Should have covered the engine a little bit.
Slightly like front end down. I think it got water into the head through the exhaust, because I think the exhaust is just tipped enough.
Both of them or just the one?
That one should be fine, because that has the exhaust heater on it and it's pointed completely down. Like there's no way.
I didn't know what else to give you. What are you trying to do? Dump the fuel? Do I need to finish this beer and cut it? I mean, whatever I have to do for the team, Matt. I'm all about the team.
Hey, whatever you want. I'm a team player.
Those are whales, sir.
So Matt wants the water level risen another 3 or 4 inches, which means I get to take this and reorient it, which this is a lot different looking than it was yesterday. That tree fell down yesterday too. Nappy used to live right there. You see the remnants of his little house. I used to tie off to this tree. We go way back. Just memories I have with this tree. It's just take a second to remember all the good times we had. Okay, we're good. So anyway, I'm gonna take all this junk and try and build this dam up about 4 inches there. water level is somewhere between your best friend and your greatest enemy. Whew. Rebuilt that dam a little bit. It should be about as high as you need. I like it to be deeper, so if I'm not going to be able to see, might as well have it deep, so that way it makes it easier to move that material. You don't have to shovel as much out of the tailing pile there, because, yeah, look at that tailing pile. You saw where it was, what, not even an hour ago. Matt's too afraid to dive because he can't see right now. I'd rather dive and dredge by braille than long arm. Okay, he's got a clog. We need to work on dredging hand signals, because we kind of just make stuff up as we go, and it doesn't make sense to anyone. Wait, where's the punch rod? I don't see it on the dredge. Uh-oh.
What's up, MTV?
Charlie's house. Look at that spider web. That's a nice one. This route goes up forever. Look at that spider web. That's a great one. Yeah. Let's see all the way through that route, too. You got a cobweb way up on the other side, too, man. Charlie, you got it made. Good job, brother. Oh, you found my glove. Sweet. So lost this in the creek, so always have backup gloves, and luckily Matt found it somehow. Oh, here he goes, screwing off again. There's Nick dredging. The tail is building up again. We could probably try eating all this stuff here. Little bars sticking out. Test it into that way. There's a lot of sticks. That bedrock dives down again, but I don't know, it didn't seem to be anything crazy. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Probably not gonna press that too far that way. Probably for the remainder of the next 2 days, we're just gonna keep on from this grass right here along this bank right here, just gonna keep eating forward. It gets wide, a lot of ground to cover, but I'm gonna keep chunking forward. So that's the plans.
I'm not a saint, I ain't no savior, so you better run if you can't take my behavior. Had a heart of gold, but I sold it away, and I walk down a dark road every day. I'm not looking for an open door. If it's closed, I'll break it down to your 6 feet underground. Don't have a condom in my body. I watch you waste away in the cold and stormy rain. I'll find you anywhere. Don't matter if you're running scared, running scared. Don't care about nothing, always up to something. A chill in the air, that's me coming. Gave up being nice a long time ago, so I keep on walking down this dark, dark road. I'm not looking for an open door. If it's closed, I'll break it down to your 6 feet underground. Don't have a condom in my body. I watch you waste away in the cold and stormy rain. I'll find you anywhere. Don't matter if you're running scared, running scared.
How much longer am I going?
What?
How much longer?
Goodbye.
Cold.
You're not getting up heat?
Oh, I'm good.
What?
I'm good on heat. I'm cold though.
Heat.
Look, this is good.
How are you cold then?
My bones. Bones.
Cold. I'm so cold.
I quit, cows. Tell your husbands I tried.
Clean up from today. I don't know, 5 hours of running?
How much you think? I'm going with 3.27.
Go with 4.
Oh,
Price is Right. Me, that's messed up. I can't see it anymore. There you go. Jeez, at least get the gold that's in there.
I did it. Oh. 3.69 plus 2 pickers. Yeah. I win. I win!
Nice.
4.06.
Tight. Gold Fairy, what's going on?
Belt's not grabbing on the inner wheels.
I'm not a saint, I ain't no savior, so you better